Welcome to Domain 6, Security Assessment and Testing. Now that we've implemented all these countermeasures to improve our security posture, we obviously need to make sure that they are as secure as we think they are. We need to assess and test them. And we use the assessments and the testing not just to see if what we have implemented already is secure enough, but also to find places where we can improve our security and not leaving any big holes in our security posture or our layered defense. We're going to cover the assessment and test strategies. How do we want to test? What do we want to test? The strategies we use for it, and do we want it to be intrusive or non-intrusive? Many times when we choose non-intrusive, we don't want to interrupt day-to-day operations, but it also rarely gives us the full picture of how vulnerable we are. Then we look at our management and operational controls. Are our administrative processes as secure as they should be? And then we do the actual testing. We want to ensure that both the technical and administrative controls we have in place are functioning like we expect them to. Having a policy that says you can't do this really means nothing if no one follows it. And how do we interpret the test output? There will be parts of this that will be manual, and there will be parts that will be automated. We need to be able to convey in layman's terms to senior management what the test output means. You can't give them the 600-page report with all the technical details on our vulnerabilities. You need to explain it to them in a language they understand. And then we're going to round out Domain 6 with looking at some of the common security architecture vulnerabilities. Curriculum-wise, Domain 6 is not a very big domain. It's maybe a third or a fourth the size of Domain 3, 4, or 7, but it does make up 12% of the weighted questions on the exam. And with that, let's get started.